Welcome back to another Cottage Life DIY video. I'm Adam Holman, and for today's project, we're refinishing an old kitchen cutting board. The first thing I'm going to do is remove all of the hardware on the board. Now my board is split in the center, so I'm going to use a hand planer to get that piece nice and flush, and then I'm going to glue it together. While we wait for our glue to dry, I'm going to clean up the hardware with some metal polish. Now that our board is glued back together and dried, we're going to grab some sandpaper and give it a fresh finish. If you have any cracks or holes in your board, you can mix some of your sawdust with a little bit of wood glue to fill them. When you're happy with all your sanding and your wood's nice and smooth, grab some butcher block oil and conditioner and put it on the top and the bottom. Depending on the condition of your board, you might be able to skip a few steps and maybe even just go straight to the sanding and conditioning. And look at that, as good as new. If you've got a hack you want to see me try or a build you want to see me do, submit it below. Until next time, keep on cottaging.